Hello?
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Anong pangalan po nila?
Ella talaga. Pero
Ella.
gusto ko lang Bea.
Okay. So that's your real name, Ella.
Mm.
Hi, Ella. Good morning.
Good morning.
Gising ka pa?
Nag-work ako, pero kasi nanonood ako sa'yo while working.
Okay. By the way, how do you spell your Ella? Double L?
ELLA, yes.
Double L. Bakit? Ba't kailangan
Mm-mm.
double L?
Hindi, actually, Janela talaga yan. Jean as in Jean, tapos Ella.
Sinabi mo na lahat.
Yan.
Bakit pati gate number niya di mo na lang sabihin din? Ilan taon ka na, Ella?
28.
28. Calling from what part of the world?
Passing.
Pasig. Alright. Sabi mo nasa work ka. Anong work mo?
Manager BPO.
Okay. Manager ka?
Mm-mm.
Buti ka pa manager. Ako hindi na ako manager. Pusang gala. Sorry. Nag-relapse. Anyways, may asawa ka na?
Wala, may jowa.
May jowa.
Mm-mm.
Masakit ang ulo niya sa'yo, masakit ulo mo sa kanya.
Sa kanya.
Masakit ulo mo sa kanya. Anong trabaho ni jowa?
Para siyang sekretary, pero sa ibang bansa.
So LDR kayo.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Anong bahagi ng mundo siya? Saudi. Pabulong ka ng pabulong.
Sorry naman.
Baka akala nila orasyon to.
Ano ka ba, nag-meet na tayo, pinuntahan na kita sa station mo before.
Talaga?
Sa Love Radio ka pa nun.
Nasa Love Radio pa ako. No? Hindi man kita maaalala, ang tagal na nun. Anyway.
Kaya nga
Malamang bata ka pa nun, kasi ilan taon ka ba ngayon? 28?
Ano pa ako nun?
10 taong, wag na natin magkwentahin yun, pusang gala talaga. Ba't ka napatawag sa akin?
Ayun, na-stress kasi ako sa kanya. Ewan ko, feeling ko kasi wala siyang emotional intelligence. Parang ganun.
Na naman tayo. Para na naman kayong psychologist sa psychiatrist. Alam mo, naiirita ako pag ginagamit niyo yung walang emotional intelligence ang jowa ko. Bakit psychologist ba kayo para ina-assess niyo yung mga jowa niyo?
Hindi ganun. Kaya lang kasi parang,
Gano'n katagal na ba kayo?
1 taon na.
1 year na. How'd you guys meet?
Fraternity.
Fraternity.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, sorry pero same sex kayo?
No, different sex, pero nasa isang chapter kasi kami. So, yun.
Okay. Ang tawag dyan ka-frat, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Ganun.
Okay. Alright. So, nung naging kayo, hindi pa kayo LDR?
Oo, hindi pa. Kasi
Okay.
nagbabakasyon siya that time dito.
So, sinagot mo ito in person? Okay. Alright. Okay. Bakit mo nasabi na wala siyang emotional intelligence? Anong basihan mo naman?
Kasi hindi niya nare-reciprocate yung yung love language ko sa kanya. Tsaka parang alam mo yun, ang hirap niyang kausapin. Hindi mo ma-open up sa kanya yung mga bagay na pinag-uusapan niyo kasi ayaw niyang pag-usapan. Kumbaga parang lagi siyang umiiwas sa ganung conversation.
Halimbawa, ano yung gusto mong pag-usapan na ayaw niya?
Kasi mas matanda siya sa akin ng 9 years. So, parang walang plano, ganun.
Okay.
So, syempre, di ba, you date to marry. So, parang ayaw niyang pinag-uusapan yung mga future and all. Tapos, pag kami kailangan kaming pag-usapan, like, kung hanggang kailan siya magpapabalik-balik sa ibang bansa, ganun.
Okay,
Parang,
slow down a little bit. No? Nagkakilala kayo 1 year ago, naging kayo. Tama?
Mm-mm.
How long into the relationship bago siya umalis?
Mag 1 month pa lang.
So, isang buwan lang kayo na naging, like, nagkasama and then he left
Mm-mm.
na to go
Mm-mm.
to the Middle East. Tama?
Mm-mm.
You barely know each other.
Well, since magkasama nga kami sa
No,
school,
no,
pati
no,
sa
no. You know
Philippines.
him as a frat body, pero you barely know each other.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Oo.
Why do you put a lot of pressure to the relationship?
Well, kasi for me, he's old enough.
Who are you to say that? I mean, who are you to say that?
Well, yun lang yung feeling ko siguro.
And you categorize him as having a low, emotional, intelligence?
Kasi may
Just because he's taking his time? 1 month pa lang,
Siguro.
1 month pa lang kayo magkasama and then he left. He barely know
Oo.
you. Ba't ka nagmamadali?
Well, wala kasi ako naririnig na reassurance, yung ganun.
You barely
Parang-
know each other. Things can go south.
Yeah, well, totoo naman, we barely know each other that time.
Are you a mom?
Yes.
O single mom ka?
Mm-mm.
Maybe that explains why.
Baka.
I don't
Baka
know.
ngayon.
Parang medyo unfair, medyo masama ugali mo sa part na yan, ano?
Sabi naman.
Totoo. Imagine mo, bungad mo sa akin, yung jowa mo, walang emotional intelligence, mababa. Because he cannot meet your expectation for knowing you ng isang buwan and he left for 11 months. You were long distance. Wala pa nga kayo ng second round of pagkikita eh. Hindi pa siya nakakababa
Actually,
ng
andito siya ngayon.
Oh,
Andito siya ngayon.
Okay, so he's here right now. So this is practically the second chance that you're meeting after being away for a long time.
Yes.
And you're putting pressure into it? Nasa honeymoon stage pa kayo.
Actually, hindi ko yun ino-open up sa kanya.
But
Kasi
you're-
nga, may
yeah.
tendency siya na mag-shutdown. Like, hindi niya ako kakausapin.
Maybe because he's trying to get to know you first.
Siguro.
He's trying to get to know you. Parado ka masyado. Sabi dito, kakawatpad mo yan.
Uy, grabe, sobrang tagal na ng Wattpad.
Matanda yung nag-comment.
Grabe naman yun.
I mean, I get what you want and I agree with you. Date to marry and whatnot. But you have been together for barely a year. Diba? Barely a year. You don't know him exactly the way that he is. You're just starting to get to know the guy. Hindi ko alam kung magiging tama ako dito pero madalas mo walang pakialam. Sabihin ko na lang din. Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Alam mo ano ka, no? Bida-bida ka.
Bakit naman? Grabe naman yung bida-bida.
Totoo. Di masaktan ka. Kilala mo naman siguro kaya mo naman ako tinawagan eh. Alam mo kung bakit? You put your own personal standards as the sole standards ng relasyon na meron kayo. You don't know how to compromise. If it does not meet your standards, feeling mo failure na yung partner mo. Kaya hindi ka
Uy.
nag-iisa dyan. Dalawa kayo dyan.
I know.
Di ba?
Wait lang. Hindi lang siya yung nagko-compromise din ako. Grabe naman.
Hindi naman point ko. You have to remember how you told me the story. Di ba? Wala ako narinig na plano, wala siyang emotional intelligence, kasi nga, hindi niya na, how do you call this? Hindi niya na meet yung specific standards mo. You are yet to get to that point. Enjoy mo muna. Ano ka ba?
Yun naman din yung ginagawa ko. Parang dinadivert ko na lang din yung attention ko sa ibang bagay para at least kahit papaano.
Nakakailang sakay na siya sa barko?
Overall, matagal na. Nakaka 10 years na siyang pabalik-balik.
Okay. So he knows the drill of having a girlfriend or maybe a relationship habang malayo. Tama? Maybe he's got some exes that did not work out for him. Maybe he's trying to weigh things out.
Siguro. Ewan ko kasi parang feeling ko, hindi kasi siya din hindi ka rin kasi siya, though you will feel naman na love ka niya pagkakasama mo siya, pero parang siya ewan ko kung defense mechanism niya ba yun kasi lagi siyang naloloko before, ganun. So, parang something's holding him back. Parang ganun yung feeling ko kasi.
Oh my God! Ano ka ba niya? Psychiatrist ka ba niya? Bakit mo siya ni-study?
Wala, na-observe ko lang naman yun.
No. It takes the fun out of it. Because if you do that, you will start treating him from how you look at him, nagawa-gawa mo lang naman. That's out of thin air. Look, if you have been dating for quite a while na, maintindihan kita. Kailan siya umuwi?
Nung Feb 2.
Kakauwi lang niya.
So, and then, aalis na siya ulit this March.
So, you want him to tell you na I'm marrying you the next time I'm coming home, ganon?
No naman. Pero, siguro additional pressure din yung sa nanay niya. Kasi nanay niya nagme-message sa akin, oh my God, na pastayin ko na siya dito. Hindi ko naman ma-open up sa kanya yun. Kasi kahit sabihin ko naman yun, hindi ko ma-open up sa kanya yun. Kasi ayoko nga din siya na, ayoko na rin na ilipat din sa kanya yung pressure. So parang ako na lang yung nagpapapressure sa nanay niya. Ganun.
Wait lang. Yung nanay kasundo mo.
Oo.
Pala naman things are good. Look, by the sound of it, by the looks of it, things are doing okay. It's smooth, tama?
Yes.
Oh, things are smooth. Huwag mo nang enjoy the process. Don't forget to have fun. I mean, you're putting too much pressure into it. You practically have met each other in two phases ng relasyon ninyo. Because the in-betweens, he was far away. Tama, mali?
Tama.
O, etong uwi niya na to, ito pa ba ang may iiwan sa'yo? Mas maloob mo sa kanya?
Ayoko, syempre.
Ganito. I will just go ahead and follow your logic. Okay lang?
Okay.
Sabi mo kanina, baka kasi mamaya, yung mga sa past niya madalas na naloloko, tama? Kung totoo yun, ba't di maintindihan?
Kasi parang, dala-dala niya yung trauma hanggang sa akin.
So you want to tell him that you're different from all those girls?
Yes.
Okay.
Oo.
How would he know?
Well,
Yeah, there you go.
nakauwi at nakauwi na siya at lahat. Wala naman kaming ganong history.
Yeah.
Or wala naman siyang mga ganong
Exactly.
naging issue sa akin.
So he will only know whether this tawag nito, well deserved ka to bring back yung tiwala niya ulit through time. In due time, he will learn that. He'll be at ease. Diba? Nakaya kanyang pagkatiwalaan. Kung yan yung, if we are following your logic about him having that past. So through time. So huwag ka mong madali. Now, speaking of following your logic, Hindi kayo may kinalaman din sa past mo yung ganyan mo. Because you're overthinking. Ha?
Baka.
Okay. Ba't ba kayo nag-iwalang tatay ng anak mo?
Iniwan ko.
Bakit?
Mama's boy.
Ha?
Mama's boy eh.
So ayaw mo ng
Parang ganun.
dinidiktahan ng magulang para mag-decide, tama?
Mm-mm.
And here you are, you found the man who can decide for himself, taking his time, and you take it against him.
Parang ganun.
Okay. So sino magulo din? Okay. 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 What?
Ayun lang. Yun nga. Kasi parang, tas, di ba, umuwi siya. Tas parang, wala man lang yung, paano ko ba siya sasabihin?
Okay, I'll be honest with you. Ready?
Okay.
There's a very big chance this might not work. The other end of that spectrum is there's a very big chance this might work. Tama? So you don't know. There's a very big chance this will work or this might not work. Tama mali? Either one of those, you don't know if it will work or it will not work. You don't know that. Tama?
Yes.
And the only way for you to find out is through time. Take it easy. Why don't you take it easy? Why don't you enjoy? Takes the fun out of it. Can I be a little bit biased?
Yeah.
Lalabas lang muna ako dun sa gitna. I will just tell you things from a male perspective is coming from. Tama?
Mm-hmm.
Nakaka-turn off yan. Ang red flag niyan.
Ganun?
Yes. Nakaka-turn off yan. I mean, saglit pa lang kayo. Hindi ba nga siya kasundugan ng anak mo siguro eh?
Uy, hindi. Magkasundo sila.
Well, maybe
Sobra.
magkasundo sila. Pero what if inaantay niyang maramdaman niyang totoong anak na yung pakiramdam niya sa anak mo? What if he's not telling you because it might offend you and yet sa sarili niya he wants to like embrace yung pagiging tatay sa anak mo and he's not yet there. Maybe he wants to promise you what he can promise you kapag he's fully committed na maging tatay sa anak mo. What if that's his direction?
Actually, sobrang goods niya. Sobrang goods niya dun sa bata. Wala akong masabi.
And do you think 1 year is enough for him? In 2 occasions? Kasi wala naman siya in between eh. Can I be completely and brutally honest?
Okay.
Are you looking for someone to love? Or you're looking for someone to patch the broken figures that was caused by your past?
Well, for someone to love, of course.
But doesn't sure feel like that. it looks and feels to me like you're trying to patch some broken figures from the past. And he's a very good candidate for that. That's not fair. Enjoy mo lang. Ano ka ba? Gano'ng katagal kang walang jowa bago ka nagkakilala?
2 years.
Enjoy. 2 taong kang nag-antay tapos you're about to ruin it by overthinking the process? Ha?
Yeah. Ay, nako.
You're gonna ruin. You're going to self-sabotage. Did I make sense?
Yes.
Ikalma ang posonte, ha? Ikalma ang
Ang
posonte.
daming nakikinig sa'yo ng mga nakakilala ata sa akin.
Asan siya ngayon?
Andun sa kanila, nasa bahay nila.
Okay.
Tulog.
Kalma lang. Alright?
Yeah.
Ako, as your friend, I wish you luck. I hope you found what you're looking for.
Thank you.
That's genuine. That's from the heart. With no ounce of sarcasm, I meant that. I hope that you've found what you've been looking for.
Yeah. I'm also hoping for that.
Then do not sabotage your own interest. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Anong message mo sa kanya?
Wala, sleep well.
Babaw mo, ha?
Hindi. Message ko sa kanya. Wala, mahal ko siya. Yun. And sana it work. Kasi I don't just hope for it. I pray for it na mag-work talaga. Saka kasi alam mo yun, yung nakita ko yung ginagawa niya sa baby ko. Ang laking factor talaga sa akin yun. Though, hindi ko naman pinapasalo sa kanya. Pero, yun lang. Siguro, kasi nga, parang, feeling ko, ayokong maramdaman niya na incomplete siya. Pero, syempre, dadating din yung time na magtatanong siya. Diba? Wala siyang kinalakihan talaga na tatay niya. Ganun.
Lang?
Yun lang.
Okay. Good luck to you. Ikalma ang puson, ha? Thank you for having this call.
Yeah, thank you too.
Good morning po.